Hello lovely viewers, welcome once again to the channel. Please, today we are coming to you live from Akuntanim in the Dormaa East District of Ghana. Akuntanim, as you can see from the video, is well endowed with good natural resources, with good environment, with the trees and everything here. As you can see from the video and the shot that you are viewing right now, the place is well laid out. It's very nice and beautiful town located in the Dormaa East District. And as you can see, the layout of the town was really, even in the past, done very well, as you can see from the video right now, with the trees and a green environment. The place is very lovely and nice to stay. As you can see, also where you are viewing right now is the road that links the place to Dormaa on the left. If you pass through that left street, you can go to Dormaa. On the right, you go to Chemasu. And when you pass through the town, you can go to Drobo. You can also pass through the town to Drobo. It's a very beautiful place. The place is, or the town is blessed with one prophet of the Methodist Church who was well known as Prophet Sampson Oppong, popularly called Osebetutu, and he was one powerful man of God who did miracles and great works in that town. According to history, the man was approached as Jonah was approached in the Bible to go and do the work of God, and he didn't give chance, he didn't do it, and the Spirit of God approached him several times before he gave in. And the man, through his staff and his clothes, did a lot of amazing works. And as I speak right now, he's being celebrated in the town. And the Church of the Methodist Church always comes here to have a prayer festival each year in the name of that man. There is a museum also in this town which has been done for this man, so that visitors too can see the marvelous and beautiful things that he did. The road you are seeing right now leads to Drobo through the Akuntanim town. You pass through Akuntanim town, you can go to Drobo. Some parts of Drobo. Akuntanim is a very nice and beautiful community or village, as you can see. And I can tell you, the town is very neat, because the Dormaa Hene is doing this project where he's making sure that every single town or village in Dormaa has a dustbin, and that dustbin, when even they come and one is lost, the people in the town are supposed to pay for it. Every week he goes to a particular town and he does a cleanup exercise in the town, and the town has come, and there are like a lot of there's a lot of waste. He will let the chiefs and people of the town pay a fine of an amount, an undisclosed amount, and the town will be punished for that. And because of that, every town in Dormaa, they make sure that every particular week or every time that they use it to clean the town. So the place is very nice. It's just a very beautiful scene, as you can see. Osebetutu, as I was saying, was a very powerful man. He did a lot of miracles according to the people in the town. He even commanded the rain to come when there were times that the area was experiencing drought. And also there was times he could let it rain in the town, and where he was doing his program or he was doing his revival, no rain would touch that area. That was such a man that he was. He did a lot of miraculous things in this town, and the people celebrate him a lot. If you want to learn more about this man, you can just come to the town. They have this museum. There are people there who will talk to you about the man. They'll give you a history about Osebetutu, or Prophet Sampson Oppong, one Methodist prophet who used to live in Akuntanim. He used to also, before he came to his hometown, he had lived in Kumasi. He lived in Côte d'Ivoire, because according to history, a lot of amazing work done by this man. He even, according to the people, raised the dead, and he did a lot of amazing work over here. Please watch and enjoy this amazing work that we have done. As you can see from the shots,